Is your car acting up? Feeling sluggish? Or maybe the check engine light is on. Don't worry, you don't need to rush to the mechanic just yet. With the DonosHome OBD2 scanner, you can become your own car's diagnostic expert. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Weekly Tools. Today we're taking a closer look at the DonosHome OBD2 scanner, an affordable yet powerful auto diagnostic tool. We'll walk you through its key features, how to set it up, and how it can help you diagnose issues in your car, even if you're not a pro mechanic. Let's jump right in. Key features of DonosHome OBD2 scanner. Let's start by going over some of the main features that make this tool a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced car owners. Haas key features. Comprehensive vehicle coverage. First up, this scanner works on most vehicles manufactured from 1996 onwards in the U.S. as well as OBD2 and CAN protocol vehicles. That includes cars, SUVs, trucks, and more. Quick and accurate diagnostics. It can read and clear engine fault codes, which means it's capable of diagnosing everything from basic engine issues to more complex sensor problems. The tool provides detailed code definitions, so you know what each error means. No guesswork involved. Live data stream and freeze frame. With live data streaming, you can get real-time updates on parameters like engine RPM, coolant temperature, and vehicle speed. It also has a freeze frame function to capture data right at the moment a fault code is triggered. Battery and emissions testing. Another standout feature is battery testing and emissions readiness. This scanner will let you check if your car is ready for an emissions test, and the battery test helps determine if your car battery is in good health. User-friendly interface with a color display. The DonosHome OBD2 scanner has a bright color screen, making it easy to read error codes and understand diagnostic information. Unboxing and setup. When you purchase the DonosHome OBD2 scanner, here's what you'll find inside the box: the scanner itself, an instruction manual, and the connection cable. Setting it up is super simple. Let's go through it. Step 1, locate your car's OBD2 port. Usually you can find this port under the dashboard near the steering wheel. Step 2, connect the DonosHome scanner to the OBD2 port. Step 3, start your car's ignition, and the scanner powers on automatically. From here, you can navigate the menu and start diagnosing. Testing with the DonosHome scanner. Engine fault codes. By selecting Read Codes, we can see if there are any trouble codes in the system. If you get a code, you can clear it and reset the light after addressing the issue. Live data. Next, I'm going to check the live data stream. This is great if you want real-time updates on engine performance metrics. It's all right here on the display. Battery test and emissions readiness. Now, let's look at battery testing. The scanner checks the battery's voltage, which is super helpful to know if you need a replacement. And for emissions readiness, the scanner lets you know if your vehicle is ready for a smog check. Why you should consider DonosHome OBD2 scanner. Affordable diagnostic tool. It's budget-friendly and can save you a lot of money by letting you diagnose issues before heading to a mechanic. Comprehensive diagnostics. With features like live data, freeze frame, and battery testing, you can get a thorough understanding of your car's health. User-friendly and durable. It's easy for anyone to use, and the color display is bright and clear. Pros and cons. Of course, no product is perfect. Here are some pros and cons to consider. Pros. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Easy to read and use interface. Helpful features like battery and emissions test. Cons. Doesn't support advanced diagnostics like ABS or SRS codes. Limited to engine-related diagnostics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Weekly Tools for more reviews and tips on the best tools for your garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.